Now let us consider that after discussing about the different types of forces, we are now going to discussing about work energy theorem. Work energy theorem. The important article from the chapter Laws of Motion that state and explain what we understand by the factor work energy theorem. So let us consider first of all it's a statement. What the theorem tells us. Statement first. Work done on a body. Work done on a body by a force. वर्क डन ऑन ए बॉडी, किसी बॉडी पर आपने काम किया, किसके जरिए? बाय ए फोर्स टू डिस्प्लेस इट, टू डिस्प्लेस इट प्रोड्यूसेस चेंज इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी. क्या कहता है ये थ्योरम? वर्क डन बाय ऑन ए बॉडी, आपने किसी बॉडी पर वर्क किया, आपने किसी बॉडी पर काम किया, किसके जरिए? बाय ए फोर्स लगाकर आपने किसी बॉडी पर काम किया. क्या वजह जिसकी वजह से द बॉडी जस्ट गेट्स डिस्प्लेसेस, वो बॉडी डिस्प्लेस हुआ. डिस्प्लेस होना अपनी इनिशियल पोजीशन पर से हटना, अपनी जगह से हट जाना. टू डिस्प्लेस इट, तो क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है? प्रोड्यूसेस चेंज इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी. इनिशियली इसका मतलब वो बॉडी क्या था? रेस्ट कंडीशन में था. इनिशियली इसका मतलब वो बॉडी कैसा था? द बॉडी इज इनिशियली एट रेस्ट कंडीशन. आपने क्या किया? आपने कुछ अमाउंट में फोर्स इस बॉडी को लगाया, बिकॉज ऑफ विच व्हाट हैपेंस? द बॉडी जस्ट डिस्प्लेसेस फ्रॉम इट्स इनिशियल कंडीशन. हमने किसी बॉडी को डिस्प्लेस किया, इट मीन्स दैट वी हैव डन some amount of work. Okay, thus the theorem tells us that work done on a body by a force to displace it produces, क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है? डिस्प्लेस इट प्रोड्यूसेस चेंज इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी. नाउ द प्रूफ. let us consider u be the initial velocity of a body. U be the initial velocity of a body. V is called as final velocity. V be the final velocity of a body. Okay. M is called as mass of a body. M is the mass of a body. Okay. ds it is called as the displaced condition, or that is called as displacement. ds भी the displacement. जैसे आपने बॉडी को फोर्स लगाया, वो बॉडी ने कुछ अमाउंट में क्या किया? डिस्प्लेसमेंट तय किया, उसने कुछ अमाउंट में फासला तय किया. सो ds भी the displacement. A is called as acceleration. A be the acceleration, and F is the applied force. What do we understand by F? F is called as applied force. ये वो फोर्स है जिसके जरिए आपने किसी बॉडी को क्या किया? डिस्प्लेस किया. आपने किसी बॉडी को डिस्प्लेस किया, यानी आपने कुछ अमाउंट में क्या किया? वर्क किया. ओके. Thus, the theorem states that work done on a body by a force to displace it produces, वो क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है? It produces change in kinetic energy. To understand this, let us consider its proof. The general notations that u is the initial velocity of a body, v is the final velocity, m is the mass of the body, ds is the displacement produces in the body, a is the acceleration, and F is the applied force. Okay. Okay. Now we are displacing the body. हम यहाँ पर किसी बॉडी को क्या करने जा रहे हैं? डिस्प्लेस कर रहे हैं. वी आर डिस्प्लेसिंग द बॉडी. ओके, वी आर डिस्प्लेसिंग a body. It means what we are doing. It means we are doing. It means we are doing some amount of work. Okay. It means we are doing some amount of work, and we know that work is nothing but it is the product of force into displacement. What do we understand by work? Work, it is the product of force into displacement. Mathematically can be written as work dW is equal to force F displacement ds. Okay, we are also very familiar that this F is nothing but the force, and force is also called as it is the product of mass into acceleration. What do we understand by force? It is nothing but it is the product of mass into acceleration. Put the value, we can write that is dW is equal to, in place of force we can write m into A into ds. In the previous paragraph already we have discussed about A. What is A? A is the acceleration. What is the acceleration? It is nothing but change in velocity upon time. So put the value of it, it becomes that is dW is equal to क्या बनेगा? M as it is. A की जगह पर आप क्या पुट अप कर सकते हैं? We can put in place of A that is dV by dt. What remains? ds is as it is. ds as it is. Okay. और it can also be written as, हम इसको ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं that is dW is equal to m. हमने क्या किया यहाँ पर? We are just shifting in place of dV to ds and ds to dV. हमने सिर्फ जगह चेंज किया, तो क्या दिखेगा आपको? It is seems to be as ds upon dt. ब्रैकेट के बाहर जहाँ ds था वहाँ हमने अब क्या लिखा है? dV लिखा है. If we read it carefully, अगर हम इसको पढ़ते हैं अच्छी तरह से, तो ये क्या नजर आता है? This is nothing but change in displacement upon time, or displacement upon time, that is called as velocity. Okay, what do we understand by velocity? Velocity is called as displacement upon time. Now total work can be obtained by integrating the above equation. Just taking the integration. Total work, that is capital W. Integration of above equation, that is W is equal to integration of dW, where it changes from, ये कहाँ से कहाँ change हो रहा है? From initial velocity U to final velocity V. Put the value of dW. Yes. If we put the value of dW, then what we get? हम क्या पाते हैं? That is W is equal to integration of dW की कीमत हमने यहाँ से पुट अप किया m into v into dv, and it changes from initial velocity u to final velocity v. Take the constant factor outside the integration, that is m is come outside the integration. What remains in the integration? V dv. Again it changes from u to v. Now what is the integration of x dx? In the second chapter mathematical methods we have seen integration of x dx, x square upon 2, power बढ़ाना है. Integration of y dy, y square upon 2. Of the same type, what is the integration of v dv? The integration of v dv is nothing but v square upon 2, and it changes from initial velocity u to final velocity v. Put the value here. What we can get? So W is equal to 1/2 m upper value, that is v square, minus 1/2 m, then lower value, that is u square. 1/2 mv square minus 1/2 mu square. But what is this? It is said that this 1/2 mv square, it is called as final kinetic energy. माइनस 1 ऑफ एम यूज कर, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज इनिशियल काइनेटिक एनर्जी। तो क्या कह सकते हैं, दिस दैट द थ्योरम टेल्स अस दैट वर्क इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू नथिंग बट चेंज इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी। इसलिए इस थ्योरम ने क्या बताया था, whenever we do some amount of work on a body, what happens, the body just displaces from its initial position and it gives, वो क्या देता है finally, it gives change in kinetic energy। watch